Hello everyone, my name is Fitrah. You can call me Vika. I am from Padang Street University. I will to tell you about History Fashion Part 3. The shirt sarong or scantily is usually made of plain, transecure plaited cotton with pad around the waist in variation with the skinty. Used by Florence is made of cloth plaid leather. Kalasiris was the most important garment worn by women throughout early independence history. The actual form of slit is the shape of the shirt that cut into a square like a sack. Kalarisi is usually made of cotton. The type of cotton used in strapper and the color is usually white. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.